When you started your practice, you worked somewhere or directly you had gone into private practice?
No, after I started my practice, I did work in Nair Hospital for some time. Then
Okay.
I worked in Breach Candy Hospital. Then I had kids, so there was a break. And then I started private practice.
So when do you understand that now I'm ready for private?
You never understand. It's a jump.
Yeah.
It's taking a risk, a jump. You always feel you're not ready. And after jumping into it, it takes you few to 3 years to really get down to it. क्योंकि हमको hospital में तो Dr. Pranav, we don't even know, we just know the generic name. We don't even know the drugs name.
Yeah.
And suddenly the patient expects you to know all the drugs that are there in the market.
It must be challenging initially.
Yes, it was. And the biggest challenge was we jump in thinking we are doctors, we are going to do good work, and no patient comes. So that is challenging when you have nobody to look after. You're just sitting waiting for patients to enter. Private practice is like that. Government hospital work is different. Patients come in taking the hospital's name.